Indy. See you. Good morning, y'all. It is about 8:30 in the morning, and I slept pretty good last night. Not much to report. We are hiking 17 and a half miles today to Roan High Knob Shelter. And then tomorrow we are hiking over tons of balds. But unfortunately, I think it might rain tomorrow. So we might miss one of the prettiest parts of the trail. We'll see. Hopefully the weather is wrong. But yeah, let's get this day started. Alright, that up there is where we are going to have our lunch. We are 5 miles from the shelter, and the rest of the way it is going to be uphill. So let's get it done. Man, mad props to this tree for being able to grow on a rock. Look at that. They've got a cool little symbiotic relationship going on there. How cool. We are really close to 2 pretty cool sites, I think. And then also really close to the shelter. So let's finish up this hike. I don't think that we're on trail right now, but there's supposed to be we'll go this way. There's supposed to be ruins from an old hotel over here. So let's see if we can take a look. And actually, let me see if I can figure out how old these are. Well, there it is. Not the most awe-inspiring sight, but 19th century hotel ruins. I guess it must not have been a very big hotel, just like that house, but oh well, it looks like someone had a little campfire there. That seems a little destructive. Okay, now let's see if we can find our way back to the trail. Wish me luck. There are so many good camping spots, stealth camping spots around here, kind of in the meadow part. But it's supposed to rain tonight, and actually the shelter that we're headed to is supposed to have 4 walls and I think a door. So it's probably a better idea to head over to that shelter. Plus it'll be a unique one, so we'll still be having fun. And a chimney. Probably also part of the hotel, maybe? Who knows? Shelter. Point 1. Guess this is the way. Hello there.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Ooh, spooky.
It's a weird shelter.
Oh, man. Are you gonna stay in here?
No, I'm camping.
No.
Everybody's camping up